Welcome. Today we have our mechanic's hat on. Let's dig into our automotive repair job. This cat wears a lot of hats.
So this is a 1991 Dodge Roadtrek, and the steering nut comes off with a 3/13/16, and this piece here comes off with two Phillips that go through those two holes there. Pointed out to you, that there and that there. And then this here comes like that, and then this nut is on there like this, and you have to take that off. Then you need to pull that off, and then you get yourself one of these, okay, and you get two bolts that fit there, which are these guys here, okay. And once you've done that, then you twist this in and it pulls the steering wheel off, and that gets you to this point here. So my cruise control is stopped working, and my horn also doesn't work. And this here is the mechanism that moves the steering, moves all your wires from the steering wheel to the steering column and turns. So we're gonna replace this. I've got another one, and as I go, I will show you a few steps to it. So this is going to be one of the first things I got to undo right here. So you got to pull up on this little thing, and then you got to pull that off. Of course, I can't do it while holding the phone. Once that wire is off, then you can just pull this off like so. And if I shake it, it makes noise. And I do remember my steering wheel was doing some weird crunching. There we go, the new one's on. Fasten that like so. Then we got to put our steering wheel back on and feed these wires through it. Notable stuff. If you push down these, you notice it sticks here, but if you push down these two here, then you can spin it all the way around. So once the steering wheel is in place, then we're going to set this piece back in there. The dust says it goes that way. And we're going to put the bolt back on. Tighten that back down. Go with that tight. Now we're going to put the two wires on here, which will be the horn, and then plug that in. So nuts tightened down, wires are all on. I don't have the horn working, but you can hear the clicking happening. So I think I definitely have a result, and I believe my cruise control will work. Okay, so test drive is going well. So I put the cruise control on, hit set, we're good, hit accelerate, going too slow. So set, and then accelerate, and we're accelerating. So that's fantastic. Job done. We'll make sure everything's put back together, reassemble the dash so it doesn't look like we stole it, and I'm a thrilled camper.
Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.